Mr. Investor Lot, welcome back to the channel, baby. So the market has been in a state of crisis and a lot of penny stocks and growth stocks have dropped, but now they've started to soar again. So I'm going to be talking about a few penny stocks that I saw that are on the radar. Always remember, none of this is financial advice, it's for entertainment only. And if you do want to support the channel, please click the join button above my head. It's only 99 cents a month and it helps me to create content like this. But if you're unable to join, just you hitting the like and clicking subscribe on this video means the world to me. Thank you so much for your love and support. April 21, 2021. Oh, Asxc Stock and loads of other penny stocks started to soar. So this one was Ascent Surgical. This went up about 30% as you can see here. It was actually at a 52-week high of $6.95. And this was roughly around this date on the 10th of February 2021. So now that it was beaten down and it went all the way down to $1.43, now it's gone roaring to nearly $2. And this company is basically a surgical company. Ascent Surgical is a company focused on pioneering a new standard of surgery for increased control, less variability, and consistently superior outcomes. Surgery reimagined. So Ascent has said that they're digitizing the interface between surgeon and patient with pre-operative, a machine learning driven database for pre-operative simulations, enabling surgeons and their teams to deliver the best surgical outcomes. Intra-operation, perceptive real-time guidance through augmented intelligence, helping to guide better decision making, improve collaboration, and enhance information sharing during surgery. And then they've got post-operative here, performance analytics to help optimize surgical performance over time and set the groundwork for global standardization. Juicy. Next stock that had a nice little run was 16% up, Senseonics Holdings. And in the pre-market we can see here it's also up another 4.3%. Yet again, this was around about the $5.50 range back on February 16th, 2021, before we had this long correction. I don't even know if we can call that the correction because Michael Burry is still saying that he believes there is another correction coming. Senseonics, as you know, have this continuous glucose monitor. This is the first long-term implantable one. I think they're still waiting for their 180-day approval, so when that comes through, happy man. Also this coming year, you can see here, they're anticipating the approval, but they also have this 365-day sensor. They're currently anticipating their submission this year for that. So 2021, you should be able to see that. So a lot of diabetics, if you type in Senseonics and you do it versus their competitor Dexcom, you'll see some reviews there. I think one of them has nearly like 100,000 views, and the guy's just talking about how life-changing it is and how he's still got it. So he really enjoys using, you know, the product that they have here for continuous glucose monitoring. Another stock is American Battery Metals Corp, ABML. This went up 32.69%. This one has taken a massive tumble during the market correction. Whoop, that's my face. It was actually at $4.90 as we can see here, and it also had a short report, I believe. I think it was this one. Spruce Point Capital Management announces an investment opinion. It releases a report and strong sell research opinion on ABML. Naughty. Spruce said that basically they believe both companies will fail to achieve lofty revenue and profit targets set by management. They were talking about ABML and LODE. ABML has a catalyst today, actually on April 22nd, that is today. They're going to be presenting at Bazinga Clean Tech Small Cap Virtual Conference on Earth Day, April 22. If you guys don't know, American Battery Metals is a battery metal exploration and mining company based in Nevada. The company is focused on creating a vertically integrated lithium company in 3 ways: environmentally sustainable exploration and mining, green extraction processes, and battery metals recycling. So this investment opinion, or a short report that caused the stock to drop, I wondered if anybody picked up massive positions in it. According to Fintel, there's only one institutional owner, but I don't know how accurate this could be, who bought 15,000 shares. Lied Norton Trust Company. The next stock as well is Zomedica. So this is another stock that some of my friends have bought up. We're waiting as well on I think it was an approval or commercialization date for Trueforma, their product. I think this product is basically a disruptive kind of product for veterinary medicine field. And here you can see, according to Zomedica, the technology's high precision means veterinarians could diagnose companion animals for conditions such as thyroid and adrenal disorders without requiring a reference lab confirmation. They also said Zomedica plans to expand the device's testing capabilities. So this is predominantly focused on cats and dogs, I think, as we can see here. Pet industry is huge, and cats and dogs are notoriously known for having so many different comorbidities. They're just like humans. Different breeds get different sicknesses. This was a company that I actually bought as well, CheckCap Limited. I bought it, I swung traded and sold it, but they have some innovative tech as well for looking inside the body to detect polyps. So this is for colorectal cancer screening and prevention. So they believe that this is going to be a very good non-invasive way for you to check for polyps. It is invasive, but it's not as invasive as when they look up, you know, oh no. But yeah, in terms of global colorectal cancer incidents, they were stating that 1.8 million people in 2019, these were new cases, 150,000 of them were in the US. Also, if we take a look at the death rate, 881,000 worldwide, 55,000. This is quite costly for the economies, $99 billion worldwide, $16 billion in the US. The screening rates are quite low for this as well, colorectal cancer. 1 in 3 adults 50 to 75 is not getting screened as recommended. And this is exactly what it does. It goes down and it can detect. There you go. And if we take a look at the pre-market values for our beloved Bionanogenomics, we can see it's up 5% in pre-market again. So I'm really happy for those that managed to hold their position and actually managed to average down for some people, or, you know, build out their position greater. That's exactly what I've been doing with Bionanogenomics and NNDM during this time when everything kind of fell apart. You know, the whole market was crashing down. Our beloved NNDM as well, for all the dimensioners out there, you can see it's up another 3.3%. Oh, even greater, 3.9. This company Skillz also went roaring. So this company here went up 33%, and I saw Ark Invest buy a whole load of it. A whole load. It's basically an online mobile multiplayer competition platform that is integrated into a number of iOS and Android games. Players use it to compete in competitions against other players across the world. E-gaming, esports, all of those industries blowing, baby. So Ark Invest actually added this to their innovation portfolio with $67 million bought, and with their internet portfolio they also added another $17 million. Considering they're entering such a big position in this kind of window here, and with the 52-week high being $46, there could be a nice run up. You can see even in pre-market value here, it's still up another 11% at $18. So with $46 down here as a 52-week high, some people could probably get in and swing trade this, or they can hold long term like what Ark's probably going to do. This is not financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell or hold any stock. If you also want to track what Ark Invest is doing, you can check lucidtracking.com. The link is in my description below. I use the premium version. They also bought this company called Path. I think Path is a software company that freshly IPO'd, and you can see here they entered with $93 million in their Ark KK portfolio, and apparently they bought it all over the place, because we not only do we have in Ark KK, in Ark Q we have $12 million, in Ark W $26 million, they even put it in Ark G with $37 million, Ark F with $60 million, and Ark X space ETF. That's crazy. So they must really be bullish on this company. So this company itself is called UIPath. It's a software company based in New York, a global software company that develops a platform for robotic process automation. I think I might take a deep dive into this company one of the days as well, just to see what it's about and how they're providing solutions for each industry department. I want to see what they're up to. Ark has also continued to sell off in PayPal. They completely exited in their Ark KK portfolio. I think they had like 650 mil at one point in there, and now it's completely gone. So some of you have also asked me, do you think the market is turning around now? The market sentiment, are we going to get into this kind of bull market again? Is this correction over? And to be honest, I don't have a clue, but I do know we've seen not only one green day, but today we might see another green day. The pre-market values are looking promising with a lot of companies, but nobody knows what the market could do. Nobody knows when the market's going to crash. All I know is that while the market was down, I continue to buy stock to actually get better average prices, and I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into my highest conviction stocks. We in it for the long run, baby. And apparently there may be a short squeeze with NNDM, Workhorse, API, B-Fly and Skillz. Thank you, Lucid Tracking. Juicy. Let me know if there's any companies you want me to briefly look over, any penny stocks or growth stocks that you're currently interested in. We'll take a look, we'll do a little summary, we'll have a little skim through the company, and if we like the company, we may deep dive. Lastly, I want to say thank you for all your love and support. I really appreciate it. And if you're able to join the channel up here, please click the join button. It's only 99 cents a month. If you're able to afford a bit more and you're able to help me, please join the Patreon. All I want to do is create great videos for you guys and keep you up to date information. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment only. And if you're unable to join any of the channel memberships or Patreon, just you hitting like and clicking subscribe on this video and dropping me some comments as well means the world to me. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate you. Mr. Invest a Lot, over and out, baby.